Hi beauties, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here today, I want to say a big thank you to you, and if you're returning, thank you so much for coming back to my channel. So today's video is going to be a DIY. I just wanted to try this lemon and baking soda face mask out, and I wanted to film it and record it for you guys and see how it actually is. My skin is pretty okay. I do get breakout once in a while, like here and there, but nothing major every time. But so I'm just going to show you guys how I do this mask. So what you want to do is you want to get a lemon and baking soda. So what you want to do is you want to slice this lemon into two, and you want to squeeze the juice out. This is the bowl I'm going to be using. You want to squeeze the bowl, the lemon out, and you want to add like 1 tablespoon to 1.5 tablespoon into the lemon, and you're going to rub it on your face. I ended up using about 4 tablespoons, guys. So I'm going to show you guys how I do this. There's no knife with me right now. I'm just going to go and get a knife, and I will be right back. So now that I'm back, I'm just going to get the knife, and I'm going to cut the lemon into two. So I'm squeezing the lemon out, and I'm squeezing into a bowl. This also help brighten your face. You can use lemon as a natural face brightener, and baking soda is also very good in exfoliating your skin. So I'm going to go and put 1 tablespoon of baking soda in here, and I'm going to mix it together. I squeezed so much lemon juice out, I ended up using about more than 4 tablespoons, guys. So as you can see, it was a little bit liquidy, so I would say add as much as you need to get that thick consistency. So after I did that, I just went ahead and rubbed that in a circular motion on my face. The reason I'm doing half a face was because I wanted to do it 2 different ways. I wanted to do it the ones that you squeeze the lemon out and you had to eat, and I wanted to show you guys a second way that is less messy to do. So as you cut the lemon out, you just want to dip that lemon into baking soda and use that to rub that on your face. Yes, my hair got a little bit messy, guys, but anyway, this was a very good exfoliating mask for your face. My face was so smooth after I finished this mask, and I've been using this mask for this week. I'm posting this video a week later, so I use it like 2 to 3 times a week in this past week, and I really love the softness of my skin, the radiance that I get after the mask. So now I went and washed the whole thing off my face. My face feels extremely soft and nice. I really like it. And yeah, you can also use that mixture to whiten your teeth, to brush your teeth at least 2 to 3 times a week. And yeah, that is all about this DIY, and I will see you guys on my next video.